How to create a bar that's perfect for small space entertaining. The problem: affordable furniture designed for small spaces can be tough to find. The problem: new bar carts are pricey. Even inexpensive options sold at Target or World Market fetch more than $125. The problem: you need an elegant solution that won't cramp your small living room. Problem: you want something big enough to hold a large beverage dispenser and a cooler filled with beer. The problem: you want a cheap and cheerful solution that you don't have to DIY. The problem: you barely have room for your desk, not to mention a home bar. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.